sitting versus laying. If you read the myths and misconceptions of meditation section, you'll know that you don't need to get in any fancy positions to meditate. However, I will always recommend that you sit up in a comfortable position rather than laying down. Laying down is hardwired into our brains as the position we sleep in. This can trigger certain unconscious processes to prepare us and eventually send us drifting off to sleep. Although quality sleep is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, it is not meditation and has a different, albeit similar, set of benefits. Having said that, it's more than likely at some point while meditating you may fall asleep. It happens to most of us occasionally. This is perfectly normal and okay, and possibly just a sign that you were tired and needed that extra rest.